Hello everyone, welcome to Nicholas High Education Pathankot. Let's solve this case study uh, based on Arithmetic Progression class 10th. The distance of the first pole from the base point is 200. It means first term is 200. So at every interval of 150 meter, subsequent poles are installed. It means difference is given, that is 150. Also it is given that the distance of the last pole from the top is 300 meter. And based on this information, following questions are given. Let's solve the first question. Find the distance of 10th pole from the base. We will use the formula A10, that is A plus 9D. Difference is 150. First term is 200. You will get A10 as 1550 meter. Let's move on to second part. In the second part, we have to find the distance between 15th pole and 25th pole. Just find A25 and then find A15 and subtract both. You will get the final answer. Look at this. You can use the formula for A25, A plus 2040, and then you can find A15, A plus 14D, and then if you subtract with each other, you will get 10D, and the distance will come out to be 1500 meter. Find total number of poles installed along the entire journey. So for this you should know what is the last term. Look at this. The last pole is our AN and it is not 5000 meter away. It is 5000 meter minus 300 meter away. It means AN is 4700 meter. And now using the AN, which is the distance of the last pole, you can find the value of N. And if you solve using this formula, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, N will come out to be 31. So total number of poles will be 31. Now next question is find the time taken by the cable car to reach 15th pole from the top, and speed is also given. And it is coming from top. Now look at this diagram. The cable is coming from the top and we have to find the distance from the top of 15th pole. And in this question, do not use shortcut, do not reverse the AP, you will get the wrong answer. And first of all, we will calculate the distance of 15th pole from bottom, and then after that we will subtract that distance from 5000. You will get the distance of 15th pole from top. Look at this. If you calculate the distance from 15th pole from base using the formula A15, you will get the answer 2300. Now 2300 is the distance from base, not from top, but according to question we have to calculate the time from top. So subtract 2300 from 5000, you will get the distance from top 2700. Now divide the distance 2700 with speed, you will get the value of time, which is 540 seconds, and you can also convert it into minutes by dividing by 60. You will get 9 minutes. If you have any doubt, you can comment. If you need any help, you can contact. Alright, take care, God bless, keep studying.